So hello guys, Howtobee here. Welcome back to another video, and yeah, today I'll show you how you'll be able to get the 300 MB GP internet pack, and it is without any cost. I mean cost free. So basically you have to go to your messages, and as you can see, this is the offer. Like they will give you the 300 MB without any cost. So I'll just open it with the Google Chrome, and it will redirect you to the application. So as you can see, it is redirecting. So just for wait, and I already actually purchased it, so that's why I had like about 500 MB and 500 MB remaining. So as you can see, I have the offer, and it is actually valid till 10 August. So this was a legit offer, and it was actually without any cost. So I am running a monthly offer, and which is remaining 557 MB, and I got the more 300 MB without any cost. So yeah, this was interesting, and also this was pretty easy to get. And yeah, this is how you will be able to get the 300 pack. So that's all from today guys, and see you all soon with another interesting video. And yeah, let's see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.